जय हिंद गाइस, स्वागत है आपका हमारी फैमिली 24/7 से जोन में। तो आज की क्लास में हम सॉल्व करेंगे मॉडल पेपर 2। जो लोग अभी भी हमारी ई बुक से अवेयर नहीं हैं उन्हें मैं बता दूं कि इस ई बुक में आपको मिलेगा रीजनिंग, करंट अफेयर्स और मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चंस। साथ ही साथ कंप्यूटर के 250 प्लस क्वेश्चंस की ई बुक आपको फ्री में मिल जाएगी और इसके सोल्यूशंस की वीडियो भी आपको फ्री में मिलेगी। सो प्लीज़ गो चेक इट आउट, लिंक इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। तो चलिए क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। Question number 1. Name the enzyme that facilitates opening of DNA helix during transcription. Option A, DNA polymerase, and option B, DNA polymerase, option C, DNA ligase, and option D. So option D is DNA helicase. So the right answer is option A, RNA polymerase. Next question. Experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by option A, Boveri, option B, Morgan, option C, Mendel, or option D, Sutton. So the right answer is option B, Morgan. Next question. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Option A, lysine, option B, valine, option C, tyrosine, or option D, glutamic acid. So the right answer is option A, lysine. Lysine is the basic amino acid. Next question. Floridian starch has structure similar to option A, mannitol and algin, option B, laminarin and cellulose, option C, starch and cellulose, or option D, amylopectin and glycogen. So the right answer is option D, amylopectin and glycogen. Next question. Select the option which has all sexually transmitted diseases. Option A, AIDS, malaria, filaria. Option B, cancer, AIDS, syphilis. Option C, gonorrhea, syphilis, and genital herpes. And option D, gonorrhea, genital herpes, and malaria. So the right answer is option C, gonorrhea, syphilis, and genital herpes. Next question. Ray florets have option A, hypogynous ovary, option B, half inferior ovary, option C, inferior ovary, or option D, superior ovary. So the right answer is option C, inferior ovary. Next question. The product of reaction which is catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plants are option A, ammonia and oxygen, option B, ammonia and hydrogen, option C, ammonia and alone, and option D, nitrate alone. So the right answer is option B, ammonia and hydrogen. Next question. Name the plant growth regulator that increase the length of sugarcane stem. Option A, ethylene, option B, abscisic acid, option C, cytokinin, or option D, gibberellin. So the right answer is option D, gibberellin. Next question. Which of the following is the most abundant protein in animals? Option A, lectin, option B, insulin, option C, hemoglobin, or option D, collagen. So the right answer is option D, collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in animals. Next question. So this question here, it is match the following. So in zygote, synapses takes place. In pachytene, crossing over takes place. In diplotin, chiasmator forms. And in diakinesis, terminalization takes place. Okay. Next question. So from here, we will start chemistry. Question number 1. Reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis will give option A, isopropyl alcohol, option B, secondary butyl alcohol, option C, third butyl alcohol, or option D, isobutyl alcohol. So the right answer is option B, sec butyl alcohol. Next question. Reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone in presence of dilute NaOH is known as option A, aldol condensation, option B, Cannizzaro reaction, option C, cross Cannizzaro reaction, or option D, cross aldol condensation. So the right answer is option D, cross aldol condensation. So the reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone in the presence of dilute NaOH will known as cross-aldol condensation reaction. Next question. An increase in the concentration of the reactants of reaction leads to change in option A, activation energy, option B, heat of reaction, option C, threshold energy, or option D, collision frequency. So the right answer is option D, collision frequency. Next question. The mixture which shows positive derivation from Raoult's law. Option A, ethanol plus acetone. Option B, benzene plus toluene. Option C, acetone plus chloroform. And option D, chloroethane plus bromoethane. So the right answer is option A, ethanol plus acetone. Next question. Which of the following amine will give the carbyl amine tryst? Option A, benzene NH2. Option B, benzene NHCH3. Option C, benzene NCH3 whole 2. Option D, benzene NHC2H5. So the right answer is option A, benzene NH2. Next question. Which of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by Wood's reaction? Option A, N-hexane. Option B, 2,3-dimethylbutane. Option C, N-heptane. And option D, N-butane. So the right answer is option C, N-heptane. N-heptane is the alkane that cannot be made in good yield by Wood's reaction. Next question. So from here we will start physics. Question number 1. The average thermal energy for a monoatomic gas is where Kb is Boltzmann constant and T1 is absolute temperature. So A is 1/2 kBt, B 3/2 kBt, C 5/2 kBt, or D 7/2 kBt. So here the right answer is option B, 3/2 kBt. Next questions. Dimensions of stress are option A, mLT-2, option B, mL2T-2, option C, mL0T-2, and option D, mL-1T-2. So the right answer is option D, mL-1T-2. Next question. In the Young's double slit experiment, if the separation between coherent sources is halved and the distance of the screen from the coherent sources is doubled, then the fringe width becomes option A, double, option B, half, option C, 4 times, or option D, 1/4. So the right answer is option C, 4th times. Okay. Next question. The solids which have negative temperature coefficient of resistance are option A, metals, option B, insulators, option C, semiconductors only, or option D, insulators and semiconductors. So the right answer is option D, insulators and semiconductors. Next question. The increase in the width of depletion region in a p-junction diode is due to option A, forward bias only, option B, reverse bias only, option C, both forward bias and reverse bias, and option D, increase in forward current. So the right answer is option B, reverse bias only. Next question. The Brewster's angle IB for an interface should be option A, 45 degree greater than IB greater than 90 degree. Option B, IB equals to 90 degree. Option C, 0 degree greater than IB greater than 30 degree. Or option D, 30 degree greater than IB greater than 45 degree. So the right answer is option A, 45 degree greater than IB greater than 90 degree. Next question. The two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied to the ends of massless strings. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. the acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity is, so let's see the answer. So 4 kg ब्लॉक के लिए हमारी इक्वेशन बन जाएगी t माइनस 4g इक्वल्स टू 4a. अब इस इक्वेशन को हम थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा t इक्वल्स टू 4, कॉमन ले लिया, a प्लस g. ऑन द अदर हैंड 6 kg ब्लॉक के लिए इक्वेशन बन जाएगी 6g माइनस t इक्वल्स टू 6a. सो अब इस इक्वेशन में हम t की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. सो अब इक्वेशन हो जाएगी 6g माइनस 4 कॉमन a प्लस g equals to 6a. Okay, now on solving this equation it will become 6g minus 4a minus 4g equals to 6a. Okay, now 6g minus 4g equals to 2g minus 4a equals to 6a. Now next step will be a बाहर आ जाएगा, 2/10 हो जाएगा. Now इसको सॉल्व करने से हमारा आंसर आएगा g/5, यानी कि 2 1 2 and 2 5 10. ओके, सो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, g/5. ओके, सो जैसा कि मैंने आपको क्लास की स्टार्टिंग में भी बताया था इस ई बुक के बारे में, ये आपके 11th आवर में आपकी प्रिपरेशन को बूस्ट अप कर सकता है, आपके स्कोर्स को और बूस्ट अप कर सकता है. सो प्लीज़ चेक इट आउट, कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. 60 रुपीज़ तो यार आप लोग ऐसे ही खर्च कर देते होंगे, तो एक बार 60 रुपीज़ इन्वेस्ट करके देखो अपनी एजुकेशन पे. आई एम श्योर यू विल गेट द बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स. सो चलिए आज की क्लास में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.